Welcome to the AR and OR dictation lesson. This is in our Early Intermediate Journal, Term 2. It's a yellow one, and we want to put lesson number 1 at the top. Please follow along with me. This is on page 12, so it's the first dictation paper on page 12. So we are going to start, this is for our AR and OR lesson. So it makes the R sound or the OR sound. So the first word, I'm going to tell you how many lines to draw, and I would like for you to also draw the lines with me. So these are sound lines. The first word has 2 and 3. And the first sound is a blend, and the second line, the second sound line is an R controlled vowel, but I don't see any. I'm looking down here at our notes. So I'm noticing down here that it doesn't necessarily have, and it's just at the bottom of the page, it doesn't have a special line for an R controlled vowel, but that's what we've been practicing with our AR and OR sounds. So I guess I gave you a clue on that middle sound line that it's going to be an R controlled vowel. So pretend I didn't tell you that. All right, here we go. So our first, the second one, I'll tell you the number of sound lines after we get done with the first one. Okay, it's the first time we're doing this, everybody. All right, so here we go. We're going to do our pounding and tapping in order for us to, I keep my pencil in my right hand and my left hand is ready to tap, to pound and tap. So here we go, everybody. Spark. It's just one syllable. Spark. So we look over here and we have to sound it out. There's 3 sounds. Spark. Sp. Ark. Spark. All right. So go ahead and write what you hear. Sp. R. R. And we know that AR makes the R sound. And then we go K, K. Spark. Sp. Ark. Spark. So we have 3 sounds in that word. The next one has 4 sound lines. Oops, and then we have to, hold on, before we go on to the next one, just kidding. We have to write spark over here. Spark. Sp. Ark. Spark. Go ahead and read the word. Spark. All right. And number 2, so I said number 2 had 4 sound lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sound lines. And then there is an R controlled vowel in this one. So this word is, get your fists ready to tap or pound. Here we go. Forget. Forget. Do it with me. Forget. So we have to do for, or. Oopsie. Let's try it again. For, or. So it's just 2 sound lines. So f, and then the second one was or. So again, there's your R controlled vowel, for, and then we have forget. G, e, t. G, e, t. Forget. For, g, e, t. Forget. Go ahead and say it. Forget. right, the next one has 3 sound lines, and we have a blend at the beginning. So that means we have, if we look at our chart down here, we put 2 little lines underneath the sound line to show that it's an initial blend. The first part is a blend. Okay, so listen for this one. This one is snort, snort, sn or t, snort, sn, 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 or t, 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 snort, sn or t, sn or t, snort, snort. You say it. The next one has similar lines, 3 lines, and then that's the code for the first one. So if you need a reminder, go ahead and look down here to help you remember what those 2 little lines mean. So here we go. The next one is scarf, scarf, sk, r, f, scarf. Go ahead and write the letters. Sk. Oh my gosh. So let's try again. Scarf. Sk. R. F. Sk. R. F. Scarf. Sk. R. F. Scarf. Repeat. Scarf. And the last one has 5 sound lines. This one is market, 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 mar, r, r. Sound makes the sound. R. Cat, k, e, t, k, e, t, k, e, t. Market, market. R, k, et, market. All right, for our sentences down here, very good, everyone. Now let's read the list together. Let's read our list together. Spark, forget, snort, scarf, market. Very good. All right, let's go down here to our sentence lines. This one we're going to use our fist to pound. And we're going to put our word lines on here. There are 7 word lines for the first sentence. So let's see if we can make them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then there's a box there for something special. We have our mountain here at the beginning, and if we remember down here the mountain, we have to remind ourselves to capitalize, and for punctuation we have that box to remind us we need appropriate punctuation. So here is our sound, our word lines. These are our word lines. Here we go. So I'm going to go ahead and pound. A stork was born in the morn. A stork was born in the morn. All right, so go ahead and write the sentence, or maybe repeat the sentence. A stork was born in the morn. A stork was born in the morn. Stork. Stork. Was born in the, how do you spell morn? Morn. Or n. Morn. Or n. Morn. And a period. A stork was born in the morn. Stork. St. Or. Oh. Stork. St. Or k. Stork. Born. Born. B or n. B or n. Good. All right, let's do the second sentence. This one has this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 word lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 word lines. Here we go. The border is made of cork. The border is made of cork. So the border, b or der, border is made, made, that E makes the A sound, made of cork, cork, k or k, cork, k or k, cork, and a period at the end. The border is made of cork. You say it. Very good. Let's read through all of our words. Spark, forget, snort, scarf, market. A stork was born in the morn. The border is made of cork. Very good.